it seems that this pandemic season is finally coming to an end, so I'm here to suggest the perfect destination for your family holiday this summer. I will talk about the mountain Zlatibor, located in western Serbia. Probably it's the most popular destination in former Yugoslavia, of course if you count out the Adriatic Sea. Certainly it's the most famous touristic destination in Serbia. I come from a small hotel, Central Inn. It's located in the very heart of Zlatibor. It's some 50 meters away from Zlatibor Lake and main bus station. So if you want to find out more, you can always visit our website, centralinzlatibor.com, or you can visit the website of the touristic organization of Zlatibor, zlatibor.org.